Hi friends, thanks for being here again. Now we're going to learn more about music today. I'm Mr. Elias, and today we're going to learn about guitars. They are string instruments. They belong to a family of instruments, like you belong to a family. Guitars belong to the string instrument family because they have strings. So we're going to learn about two different kinds of guitars, acoustic guitars and electric guitars. You're going to learn about the parts on those guitars, and we'll hear the sound of both of them. Let's start with the acoustic guitar. Do you see the acoustic guitar right here? Well, it's got lots of parts, just like you have parts of your body. You have a belly, you have a neck, you have a head, you have hands, fingers, legs, and lots of parts. And the guitar has parts too. Do you see the big part? Do you see the big part that has a hole in it? That part of the guitar is called the body. And it's got a sound hole. That hole is called a sound hole. And up on top of its body, do you see this part? What's on top of your body? What's this? It's a neck, of course. And the guitar has a long neck. What animal has a really long neck? Of course, it's a giraffe. Giraffes have long necks, and so do guitars. And what's on top of your neck? What is this? It's a head, and the guitar has a head too. On top of the guitar's neck is its head. And on the side, it's got little shiny things that are called tuners or tuning pegs. And when you twist those, it changes the sound of the strings. And that brings us to the strings. Of course, there are strings on the guitar right down the front. Do you know how many strings are on a guitar? 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strings go on a guitar. Guitars have 6 strings. So now, do you know what a guitar is made out of? What do you think the body is made out of? Is it made out of shoelaces? Is it made out of ice cream? No, of course not. It's none of those things. It's made out of wood. Great, it's made out of wood. And the strings on a guitar are made out of what? Metal. They are made out of metal. So there are different things that make the acoustic guitar. Now let's look at someone who plays the acoustic guitar. Someone who plays the acoustic guitar is called an acoustic guitarist. Can you say guitarist? Yeah, great. Someone who plays it is called a guitarist. And what we do to play the acoustic guitar is we put the guitar's body on our body. We put one hand over the body and the other hand goes under the neck to play the strings, to push the strings and play on another part that we call the frets. Those little parts on the neck, they look like little parking spaces. Those are called frets. And when we push on them, it changes the sounds of the strings. And that's how the guitar makes its music. So remember, it's an acoustic guitarist. Now, if you're playing at home, you're going to hold the guitar on your body and the neck is probably going to go this way over there. So if you have a guitar or even a ukulele, you'll hold it just about the same. Now, this is one thing that I think is really cool about the acoustic guitar. You don't have to plug it in. That's what makes it acoustic. It can make a pretty loud sound all by itself. And this is what happens when an acoustic guitar plays. You strum the strings. You can use your fingers or a little thing called a pick that Miss Liana has taught you about. When you strum those strings, they wiggle, they shake really fast. It's called vibrating. Can you say vibrate? When the strings vibrate, all of that music jumps off the strings and it goes inside the sound hole. And then it swirls around and it dances and it bounces off the sides. And when it's ready and it's loud enough, it jumps back out of the sound hole and right into your ears. That sound hole makes the music louder. The sound goes in and it comes back out. So I think that that's a really cool thing about how the acoustic guitar plays. We're going to listen to the sound of the acoustic guitar now. We're going to listen to 3 different acoustic guitar sounds. Here's the first one. What did you think? It's nice. It's a very pretty instrument. I love the acoustic guitar. Here's the next one. That one was beautiful too. And here is the last sound from the acoustic guitar. That was great. It's so nice, right? It's got a very kind of soft sound. It's pretty. You can hear that a lot in probably the music you listen to with some great musicians and great music that play the acoustic guitar. Let's learn about the next kind of guitar, the electric guitar. Have you seen one of these before? It looks like the acoustic guitar, but a little bit different too. So let's talk about the parts. I think you know most of them already. It's got a body, just like the acoustic guitar. Its neck is up on top, then the head, and it also has 6 strings. But what makes it different are, do you see those little dots underneath the string on the body? Those little silver dots. Those are called pickups. And the sound, instead of going in the sound hole of the electric guitar, because there is no sound hole, it goes to those pickups. And those pickups are like little tiny microphones. They listen to the sound of the strings being played. They go through the guitar, down a long wire, into something called an amp, an amplifier, and that's what makes the guitar loud. You can make the amplifier louder by turning it up or quieter by turning it down. So an instrument that is electric, you have to plug it in to get its sound. Let's listen to some sounds of the electric guitar. Are you ready? Here's the first one. That's cool. It sounds like a rock and roll guitar, right? It's different than the acoustic guitar. Okay, here's the next. I love that one too. And the last sound, the third sound of the electric guitar. Here we go. Okay, that was amazing. I love the sound of the electric guitar. I love the acoustic guitar too. They're both great and they can play different types of sounds. The acoustic is a little bit quieter, a little softer sounding, and the electric is a little bit more rock and roll sounding, and you can change the sound of the electric guitar quite a bit. So now we're going to change and you get to tell me if you hear the acoustic guitar or the electric guitar. That's going to be in the next video, so if you press on that one, you get to do an activity with the guitars. Are you ready? Okay, I'll see you over there.